To verify your Discord account on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily verify your Discord account on your PC. First thing, just open up your Discord account whether via your browser or your application. So as you can see, I've opened it via my browser. So what I mean by verifying your Discord account is either you verify with your phone number or your email address. So once you land on this page, just click on this user settings icon from your profile, and once you click on it, you should head directly to this my account section where you can see my current email is already verified. But if you don't see, you can actually click on this add or verify button right next to it. So as you can see, my phone number is not verified yet and I haven't added it. So to do that, to verify, I can simply tap on this add button, and based on my country choice, country code, I will simply have to enter my phone number just like this. And once I do that, I'll simply click on send, and Discord will send me a verification code. And once I enter that verification code, my phone number or your my email address will successfully verified in the same process as well. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.